First, pull out the feet and lock in. Unlock the handle. Pull up the fastener and lock the feeder. And put the container down. Slices. First, rotate the thickness regulator a little bit. Then, you can cut the food into perfect thin slices. Now, let's cut the cucumber into perfect thin slices in the same way. Wow! The awesome cucumber mask has been done. Rotate the thickness regulator to around 4. The food can be cut into thicker slices. Rotate the thickness regulator to 8. You will get the thickest slices. Remember, the bigger the number is, the thicker the slices will be. Strips. First, rotate the thickness regulator to around 8. Rotate one of the knobs 360 degrees clockwise. Then, you can cut the food into strips. Julienne. First, rotate the thickness regulator to around 4. Rotate both of the knobs 360 degrees clockwise. Now, you can cut the food into julienne. Dices. First, put the thickest slices into the feeder. Attention! Fill up the feeder. Then, rotate thickness regulator to around 8. Rotate one knob 360 degrees clockwise. Now, you can cut the food into bigger dices. To cut small dices, you have to put thin slices into the feeder. Fill it up too. Rotate thickness regulator to around 4. Then, rotate both of the knobs 360 degrees clockwise. Now, you can cut food into small dices.